Namaste, my dear students. In this video, I'm going to talk only in English and kindly watch this video in full. This is regarding the Committee of Review of Education and Training. They are asking suggestions from all of us for revamping the CA curriculum, training, all those things. And it's just a suggestion. So we can give as a public, as a member, charter accountant, we can give suggestions for this committee. So they're asking public opinion, suggestions from us. So as a member, obviously I'll be typing and sending my suggestions. But I want to ask you people about your opinions and suggestions. So in this YouTube video, after uploaded, you can write your suggestions in comments in a proper English. I don't want your name or SRO number or phone number, nothing. But I just want a proper reply and suggestions from your end. I'm going to read each and every comment. Um, if it's not offensive, I will, and if it's a very beautiful suggestion, I will incorporate in my suggestion when I am sending the mail to the committee. So, as you all know, I have some friends in Central Council member. I'll be talking over the phone to them also about your suggestion if it's a good suggestion. For example, some people are of the view that let viva be introduced in CA. If viva be introduced, the communication would have been well developed. And instead of articleship assessment test, which we are writing almost like a theoretical way by sitting in some no computer center, if it is done by a chartered accountant, like an interview process every year, then we will be knowing where we are standing better. No, and we can improve ourselves, and this will also avoid dummy articleship. Because see, articleship assessment training, it's actually done to avoid dummy articles, but again this is been happening. So if viva be introduced, this is one point. I'm just telling some people suggestions to you, like what I heard from them. And another people, some people are telling like how we are doing IPCC, that is intermediate, CA intermediate. After completing foundation, they have given us 9 months time. Like that, if they have given 1 year time for completing CA final, and after that, if we start articles, it will be even more good, because after starting articleship, we are losing touch in subjects, or we are not touching the books. We are fully focusing on only the articleship training, and balancing the articleship as well as the subjects, exams, classes, all those things are very difficult. Because even though articleship training is actually necessary for only 35 hours a week, kind of, like no 9 to 5, or sorry, 10 to 5 for 6 days, I think so. So this is what actually is necessary. But no one is doing only that much hours. Everyone is doing almost double or 1.5 times of the training hours. And Sunday also people are working. So this is disturbing the classes, exams, studies. So people are of the view that let us start articleship. Articleship, they are also okay. No one is saying that we have to do away with articleship. No, everyone is okay with articles. But only thing is, at least after completing the first group of CA final, let us start articles. People are of that view. But another view is what? No, sir, that will be too late. We have to start a little bit earlier. Some people are of the view that in 2009 till 2009, after foundation, people will start going articleship. So like direct entry, they will be writing inter during the articleship period. But that time, many people told, no, 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 this is not the case. After inter only, if they allow two articles, so then will be like we will get more students with a theoretical knowledge, so that in practically we will have more experience. That's what I'm saying. So some people are saying, no, no, sir, after final, if we start articles, so that by 20 years, 21 years, we will be completing final, and 3 years when we do articles. So we are damn sure about no, we completed our final, so that no, after 2 3 years of articleship training, I can get a very good exposure in articles, and I will be focusing fully on articles, kind of. So there are various views, and some people are of the view, sir, let the data analytics be introduced in ITT. some portion of data analytics should be in the basic ITT training, and advanced ITT training some another portion of so that it will be like a diploma in analytics kind of. So because no some Excel, using Excel data analytics kind of. So if that has been introduced, then revamping orientation program. So people should have improving people. What is the idea of this is orientation is people should improve their communication skill. But whether that is happening, yes, little bit, but not to the greater extent. So GMCS and orientation should be revamped to the greater extent so that now we are matching to the MBA level. So there are so many things like viva being introduced. Let some people go to the some auditor office, so that for example you are staying in one area, other than your charter accountant, there will be some other charter accountant will be there in your area. You have to go and meet them, and they will be having questions which can be asked orally. Whatever area you choose, like finance or accounts or auditing or income tax or GST, whatever area you can choose, and he'll be asking you questions orally, and he can check you what is your communication skill level, the knowledge level in the subject, etc. So those things are suggestions. So like that you can give a lot of suggestions. You can type in our YouTube comment. Proper English you should type, don't type in regional language. So that no, I can even copy paste your suggestions in our mail, which I'm going to send them officially. So this is for you. The floor is open for you to give suggestions. Don't use any offensive language. Proper language, proper English you use, so that use this platform effectively. Share this video with your friends who are in the CA curriculum. Positive, negative, all those things we can discuss, and you can also give the reason why you are giving these suggestions. Reason out your suggestions. See, I think you all know ICA books. In last 3 years, the ICA book have been revamped extraordinarily. So and ICI Digital Hub, it has given an ICICA Tube. Now all these things is a very welcoming step by CA Institute, because this saves a lot of money. Like no, now ICA is launching CA Tube. They are giving a lot of free lectures. Almost entire subject is given free. So this saves a lot of money for the CA students, because private coaching center is costly, very costly. So all these things are welcoming steps. And BOS knowledge portal also, it's now very good, and the materials what they are given is very good, and unnecessary topics are they are every year they are reviewing the unnecessary topic. If you see, even recently they removed SCRA. It was actually an unnecessary topic, because much of things you are reading in SEBI itself directly. Again, why SCRA? So all these things, like in subjects also, what can be incorporated, because see, I will tell you, in CMA law there are lot more portion than CA law in all the streams, like foundation, inter and final, etc. So subject wise, the law subject is actually with little less compared to CMA and CA. So what the thinking is, it's not our core subject. So accounts is our core subject as a CA concerned. So accounts wise we are on top notch, DT wise we are on top notch kind of, and GST wise in CA inter level it's a very small portion. But GST itself, they could have even increased the portion somewhat. Some people are telling like that it's a very small portion kind of. They can give more importance for GST also, because it's a scoring area. And the marks also can be increased. Instead of no 40, they could have increased to 60 in GST, because you see the total revenue of the country today, GST is giving more revenue than what it is giving 10 years back. Today our country is surviving because of GST, I can say. That is indirect taxes. The direct taxes giving very low importance, and the total revenue is crossing more than 15 lakhs per annum, 15 lakh crores per annum. So if you are giving so much importance to DT, then give importance to GST also. Some people are telling like that, because GST people are not aware of. The practical knowledge of GST is very less. This is what many people are telling. So all these things are suggestions. That's what we are going to give to CRET, Committee for Review of Education and Training. So kindly give your suggestions. I'll be reading each and every one of yours, each and every session of yours. Thank you.